Day 5, Virginia.
Nice little 2-lane track. Doesn't look like a lot of people have been down here. It's kind of gloomy today in Virginia.
It's green.
Very green.
Back roads as usual.
Back roads as usual, no people. Yeah,
Our whole trip is supposed to be back roads.
the way it should be. A little bit of stuff. Now I didn't air down today. It was rolling on 30 psi today, so track is pretty smooth. There's a couple of rocks sticking out, but pretty smooth. And we're only going 15 miles an hour again, so not overtaxing the truck. I want to not break it our way through our trip, so we're in no hurry. Just enjoying the backcountry scenery. It's beautiful around here.
It's amazing how the landscape changes from day to day.
Day to day, yep. Our roof rack is awfully noisy today. Squeaking around side to side. Yeah, they keep their fire roads pretty nice. A couple of ruts here and there, but other than that, it's just smooth as can be. It's fantastic. Oh, there's a couple of deer
Oh,
right on the trail. Cool. Awesome.
capture that.
Have a little drink. Well, honey, we're gonna not go that way. We're gonna go this way.
Skinny.
Yep.
One car, no passing.
Right.
But there's no cliff today, so that's good.
Yeah. Oh, there's another deer stand on the road down there.
Oh yeah, just
See
we
him?
can zone in, yeah. There he is. Looking at us, looking at him. Wondering what to do. And he's gone. Oh, there's another one. Full of deers in here. Deer. Switchback.
Favorite. This road is full of switchbacks right here.
Woo. Right-handed.
Can't get down the mountain without a switchback or two. For 20.
And the cliffs begin.
Look at how nice the road is, though. So we packed up in between the rain today. That was fun. Can't wait to put the sliders back on. That's why the roof rack is so noisy. The sliders on the roof slipped out, so it's just the rubber on the roof now, the rubber pad squeaking away as we're driving along.
You know what? I don't even hear it anymore. Oh, look, there's 3 here. Oh, did you see them all go?
Yep.
Nice. Yeah, no, I don't even hear it anymore. I'm used to it. First day, kill me. We're good now. We adapt, right? Is that what we call it? We adapt. Deers are just sitting out. It's early. It's only 2 o'clock for them to be just chilling on the road.
Yeah.
But I guess they don't see many people down here, judging by the road.
The amount of traffic we've encountered.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
0.
0, right?